Too many crying in the streets tonight. Too many fighting over wrong and right. Brother against brother, nation against nation. Still we searching for salvation. Children praying underneath the stars, mothers wiping tears from battle scars. But deep inside we all the same, one blood flowing through our veins. So put away the guns and anger. Love will make the world much stronger. No matter where you come from, we all belong beneath one sun. One love, one heart. From the islands to the far dark parts, 685 sending peace tonight. Let the whole world unite. One dream, one soul. Let forgiveness take control. Put aside our differences now and live as one somehow. Oh, yeah. Different colors, different ways, still we all breathe the same air every day. The rich man crying just like the poor. Pain don't care what you fighting for. From the villages down to the city lights, everybody's searching for better life. If love could speak through every tongue, maybe peace would finally come. No more walls between the people, no more hate disguised as freedom. Open your heart and you will see love was always the remedy. One love, one heart. From the islands to the far dark parts, 685 sending peace tonight. Let the whole world unite. One dream, one soul. Let forgiveness take control. Put aside our differences now and live as one somehow. Oh, 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 yeah. If Jah made us all together, why we hurting one another? The earth keeps turning, time keeps flying, still too many mothers crying. Take my hand, we'll stand as one underneath the rising sun. No religion, race or pride can divide what's meant to unite. One love, one heart. Hear the children sing in every part. 685 lifting voices high like freedom floating through the sky. One chance, one way to make tomorrow brighter than today. So let the music lead us home. No more standing alone. One love, one heart. Peace to the world from 685. Oh yeah. Live as one. Peacewarrior Production.